Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out today, and we're gonna make the most of it by throwing down on the smoker some delicious smoked blackened chicken wings. One of the most popular videos I've ever done here on the channel are my crispy smoked wings, and so today we're just gonna take that to another level with this dry rubbed smoked blackened wings. As you can hear, the birds are chirping. Sounds to me like they're saying, make the wings already. So let's go. Okay, as you can see here, I've got just some whole wings. So this is the drum and the flat and the wing all in one piece. You could absolutely do like party wings where it's separated, absolutely not a problem at all. But these wings came from Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. They are the official meat supplier here on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. I love them, and their stuff is just next level, second to none. The quality, the quantities, and just how incredible they are overall. If you need any kind of meat, go to stripdistrictmeats.com and order online, and they'll ship it right to you no matter where you are. So with these wings, the only thing I'm gonna do is just sort of pat them dry here. Okay, those are nice and dry. Now for these wings, I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. I'm gonna smoke them just naked like this, with nothing on them at all. And I'm gonna leave them on the smoker at 275 degrees until the internal temp gets to about 165 or 170. Then we're gonna see when the magic happens. That's when we're gonna start to actually do the stuff that's gonna make these blackened wings. So for now, I know it's not a lot of fun yet, but I'm gonna get these on the smoker and I'll bring them back, and then we will work our magic with them. All right, as you can see, I'm smoking these wings today on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. I'm using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. So let's go ahead and get this on. You'll notice I have my smoke tube going again. I'm really becoming a fan of using that on a lot of different things, just because of that extra smoky flavor that it gives it. All right, so in go our wings. All right, I'm gonna estimate at this temperature, 275, it's gonna take about an hour, a little more than that. So we'll be back. All right, that took about an hour and 15 minutes, and there are my wings. Look how nice those look. The color on there from that smoke, oh, it's gonna be great. Even though these look delicious already with literally nothing on them, this isn't just about regular wings. We're gonna do these blackened wings. So let me show you how we're gonna do that. All right, so here I have 2 sticks of melted butter, and then here I have some of the Pit Boss Blackened Saskatchewan rub. This stuff is great on chicken, on fish, really on anything, but chicken and fish specifically. It's got quite a power punch of flavor. So what I'm gonna do is take each wing, I'm gonna coat it with butter, coat it with the seasoning, and put it back on my rack just for the next couple minutes. So we'll do that with these here. So we'll take one wing. Oh, look at it. Just look at it. It looks so nice. Yeah. Into the butter. Just like that. Just make sure you kind of shake it off, drain a little bit of that excess. Into the seasoning, just like that. Same thing, and onto here. Next one, into the butter. You can kind of see where we're going with this. Into the rub. Back on. I'm gonna do the rest of these here, and then I'll show you what is gonna be the, I guess, kind of the final step here of making these delicious blackened wings. All right, those wings are all covered nicely with that blackened rub, and now it's time to finish them off in a super, super hot cast iron pan. Now, if you don't think this thing is hot, look at this. It's like white hot right there in the middle, and that's what you want. And now get ready for this sizzle. Are you ready? Look at that. We're just flashing these in there until they really take on that nice color. Look at that. See the char? So I'm just gonna keep flipping these around until they are exactly how I want them to look, and then we'll present them, and I can't wait to try them. All right, my wings are done. Just wait till you see this. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh man, those are going to be delicious. Now, like I said, you don't have to use these whole wings. I actually really like whole wings, but you know, get whatever you want. Just do this to them. Just so you know, they are kind of crispy. Yeah, and there we go. Now, while this is a dry rub wing, you're definitely gonna have people that want some sort of sauces. So, a little ranch here, little buffalo sauce there, and just because we gotta make it look pretty, how about some parsley? Oh, my parsley is literally blowing everywhere. That's fine. And man, if you walked up to me with a board full of wings like that, man, I'm going to town. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, blackened, smoked wings. Oh my gosh, the color on those. These are gonna be deliciously smoky, I can already tell. Not to mention that amazing blackened Saskatchewan rub. Okay, oh my gosh, these look delicious. They smell incredible. Can't wait to dive in. But before we do that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button and click the thumbs up to give us a like. It really does help other people find and get to experience the delicious, smoky, outdoorsy goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my super sharp knife, and I'm going to just take one of these wings and separate the drum from the flat. And it's much easier to do that after it's already cooked. So if you want to separate them, you could do it ahead of time, but with it being raw, it's a lot more difficult to do that. So you want to cook it first and then separate it, and it's super, super easy. So I got this guy right here calling my name. So you'll be able to see how easy this is. We're just gonna go right down through, and that's it. Oh, man, this looks good. It's messy, right? But sometimes that's the price we pay for deliciousness. So here we go, smoked, blackened, dry rub wings. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh, the seasoning. Oh, that blackening rub. So good. Pit Boss, I love you for making that rub. Holy smokes. So delicious. Oh, check out this flat here, see what's going on with it. Oh, so good. So yeah, you're definitely gonna wanna have some napkins on hand because this is getting kind of messy, but it is totally worth it. And if you like chicken wings, you gotta try this style. If you've never had dry rub wings, well, wow, you're missing out. But if you've had them before, these are gonna be this really unique flavor. And you don't have to use the Pit Boss Saskatchewan rub. You can make your own homemade blackening seasoning. And there's tons of recipes online of how to do that. But the way that we did it today was next level, delicious, and I can't wait to eat more of it. Well, hey, thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like chicken wings, I got these 2 chicken wing videos to show you. You gotta check them out. Special thank you to Strip District Meats for these incredible wings. So check those videos out, and I'll see you next time.